What?
How can you have so many dx?
Uh-huh. You try it. It doesn't work.
This is all leaves. But like, while I'm going up.
All right, so we're gonna talk about the even function of something. So we're gonna finish trig integral today. So we're gonna talk about the rest of the information. So sometimes you have to adjust. Now I didn't teach you how to take a like integration of tangent to the fifth x, but some of you guys figure out how to do it, so which is good. Which is good that you guys are capable to do things without me teaching you now. So I think that's what I want to be, because you can think on your own. A lot of time is, a lot of time that you guys got into Calc 2 is because you guys have ability to do that. Okay, so did anybody need me to teach how to take an integration of cosine of sine square of x? Raise your hand if you need me to help you. If you don't, I'm moving on. If you do, I'll go over it and not worry about it. I'll go over it because Jing's not here. And Raphael's not here. So, sine square of x. Shh. Guys, let go of that ping pong ball. Thank you. All right. So integration of sine square or cosine square or any sine of even power, cosine of even power, remember that there's always something to do with power reducing. Okay, it's always something to do with power reducing. So for those of you guys finish sine square, you can do cosine to the fourth x dx and just algebra. So you're gonna figure out how to do cosine of 4x. But meanwhile, let me go over sine square of x. Do you guys know what's the power reducing for sine square of x? 1 minus cosine of what? 2x over 2 integration dx. And basically you just do like this. And then you can split up to 1/2 dx minus integration cosine of 2x over 2 dx. Now here is going to give you 1/2 x. Is that okay? And now here is going to be 1/4 of sine of 2x. Why? Because u equal to 2x and du equal to 2 dx and du over 2 equal to dx. So this one's going to be like this. Is that okay? Everybody's good, right? Now, how to integration cosine to the fourth x? Again, all the even power has something to do with power reducing. But the problem is algebra is what make people make mistake, not a calculus. The hardest thing is algebra. So if a power, let me write down for you. If a power of sine only is even, or cosine only is even, then is how I will do power reducing. You're gonna sum it up is always power reducing. So in this case, cosine 4 to the x still power reducing, but you just had to do it twice. Not twice, but you have to rewrite it. It does, sort of, yeah.
Like you kind of have to do it twice.
No, you don't have to do it twice, but you have to expand them.
No, I think I'm doing it. Okay.
But power reducing, you do have to use twice.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Then I'm doing it right.
Yeah, you power reduce twice.
Because there is a cosine square of 2x.
Yes.
And but how do I use a correct power reducing on that particular part? You have to be careful, because what is cosine square of 2x if you change to power reducing?
Cosine 4x.
It's gonna double as well. He's right. Because this is a 2x, so you had to double, right? Each time you have to double itself. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Can you say that again?
Nathan, can you say that again?
Yeah. So basically, if you have, alright. So if the regular x, it's cosine 2x, right? So if you don't have regular x, you have 2x. You're gonna multiply by the same factor. Yeah, 4.
So that's why people usually mess up.
I see. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
You get it?
That makes sense. Yeah, you can tell. I'm up for it. Don't worry. Yeah, yeah. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah. That's divided by 2. Right? What's that? So
Why? Why would you do that to me?
maybe one.
That you might come back.
Cosine 2 yeah, that's the last two. Oh, I'm divided by 2.
Okay, I got the So what's that mean? What is that? 3/4?
So if you did it right, can I give you an answer? No, not yet.
I'm still doing the algebra. I don't want to mess up. Give back. I already feel like I'm a bit too.
Maybe what made you get it?
No.
This.
Just not thinking.
Kevin, do you got accepted to college?
Yo, I forgot to do math.
You got an FSU? Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty surprised.
UCF?
Yeah.
Defer?
No, I got. Man, let's see. I got into ball. I resubmitted my video. I think I'll do that this year.
This video.
Video. Why you need video for?
Video, if you have additional interest in the issue, like,
You want to go to FSU or no?
either FSU or UCLA.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you will say you want to go to UCF.
Yeah, I want. I think I'll do I can possibly.
But that's gonna pay all the state tuition though.
Yeah, that's true. You got the first. There's a lot of people in this process.
FSU, yeah, I heard. And actually, I think surprisingly, there's a lot of people, good students that refer. I think, yeah. I think defer just means they'll accept you later, right? Eric Ian, did they give him scholarship? All right, so your final answer, should be 3x over 8. Anybody got a right answer?
Oh yeah. I understand why that.
Oh, I see what I got 2. I got the same thing. It's 8 times 4. I meant the denominator. Did you do 8 times 4 wrong? You probably did. Bro, Even 8 times 4 is 24. Bro, this guy.
He doesn't need to go back to elementary school. He cannot multiply 25 by 25. He cannot do. All right, so this one you should have write down as a 1 plus cosine of 2x over 2 square dx.
Brian had the same answer as you. Expanding.
And if you expand it correctly, it should be 1/4 plus cosine of 2x over 2 plus cosine square of 2x over 4 dx. This one's 1/4 cosine of 2x over 2 plus 1/4 times 1 plus cosine of 4x rather than 2x all over 2 and dx. Oh, there's a plus, right? Missing a plus sign. And then I will expand that 1/4 plus cosine of 2x over 2 plus 1/2 times 1/4 is what?
1/8.
1/8. And a plus 8 cosine of 4x dx. And this 2 is going to add together. So plus integration of 3/8 plus cosine of 2x over 2 plus cosine of 4x over 8. And this is going to be 3/8x plus sine of 2x over 4 plus sine of 4x over 32 plus c. The hard part is actually combine those two, the constant together, and expand the rest of them just algebra. It's not a big deal. Got it?
Yeah, I did. I just because I did use up so early, it made it kind of weird.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a try a couple questions.
You can use DI method.
There it goes, DI method.
It's long though.
No, tangent of 4x, no, don't use it.
It's fun though.
Do you did a question like this before? Do you guys did the homework question like this before? Tangent of 5x, no, this is tangent to the 4x.
I don't know.
Oh, from 0 to
Is it like just use them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought this is like.
No, they're not harsh. Don't overthink it. If you can use power rule, use power rule. If you can use substitution, use substitution. The worst you get to like integration by part, and the worst, use trig substitute, which is what we're gonna talk about.
Oh no, not like the triangle. What? It's not. Never mind.
Sure, you got it?
I'm telling you, bro.
Shh, come on, you guys can do this.
My whole life is what's it, bro? I'm about to No,
I tried to just do use up, but then I realized my
Use up, you must think about you and you must think about DU. And for Nathan, must think about DU. Integration DU is gonna be U. It's not S. I proved it. I proved it. She's wrong. She's wrong.
Yo, I was like,
I'm like, Nathan just discovered new math.
But usually, if you look at those games, like, increase levels of Hey, bro. Yeah.
Who got it? You got it?
I can't tell. Or what are you supposed to do? What you do?
Oh, you can split it. I didn't use some. I don't even know. What was your?
It's just a U substitution.
Wait, it is?
There was no integration by part.
Well, no, I'm not doing the integration of parts.
What did you do?
So there's two theories that I have on how to do it. One of them I got to 1 minus cosine squared x.
What the
I
hell?
2x over 2, and then the other one I did that.
How would you do this work?
No.
Hey,
I'm trying to think about what the hell you're doing.
Because I was taking this, converting it here, converting this, and then I was trying to convert it to sec square minus 1. Okay.
wait, can I?
Is it recorded?
That works, no?
No, it can't be.
Why? There's no way to split it. Oh! Cosine squared plus sine squared.
Has nothing to do with sine and cosine.
Does it? No, Mr. I'm almost done doing sine and cosine. I'm gonna find a way, trust. I am. I'm gonna find a way to read it. You know what?
You equal.
Nobody got it so far?
Hey, question, Mr. Actually, no, that's not good.
I gotta go home, bro. We're 7 Wait. No, wait.
Oh, when you got it? Sophia, you got it? Elise? Not. Nor? No? Vincent? Christoph?
I'm in the same position.
Andon? Aiden? Has nothing to do with sine and cosine.
Is there other than you sub that you have to do, or is it?
It's only trig identities, but it's nothing to do with sine and cosine.
Wait, let us think.
Oh wait.
I'm going to take the integral.
What was that?
I thought you did one interview, but then you come you know you have to do one because you're gonna use something. Yes, Rod. Oh no, like we can no way.
How much time we have? Okay, I'll give you one more minute.
What?
No. It doesn't.
No.
It's a very easy question. I think you guys just overthink it.
Only one thing I can't pull out. Wait, hold on. Wait, you just change this to second. But then you just keep changing. I think one thing. Oh, or you can you want to make
Anderson, you got
or
it?
you can split it up the integral of secant squared is
Can I share the answers?
Hold on.
Shall I give you a clue to the answers?
no just fellas.
The answer is only one trig function.
That's okay.
No, what? No, one like either is sine or cosine or tangent or secant or cosecant or cotangent. That's it. Well, it's like two terms
I'm telling y'all this, bro.
or three terms. Sorry.
There's gotta be no way. Three.
That's the answer before you do the.
Yes. Aiden's got it.
Hey, give me my credit, bro. You didn't know how to fucking take the integral. Aiden, master of integration. You gotta come over. Shut up.
Okay, so integration of tangent square of x times tangent square of x dx. You guys see that? Can I change this to what? Secant square of x minus 1, right? So can that be 10 square of x secant square of x minus 10 square of x? Do you see this part already? Now what happened is this part. This part need to readjust. So that's gonna be 10 square of x secant square of x dx minus, well, what is tangent square of x? It's gonna be secant square of x minus 1. dx, right? So in this particular part, u is equal to 10 of x. du is equal to secant square of x dx, right?
Yeah, that makes sense.
So that's going to be integration of u squared du minus, oops, my bad, minus integration of secant square of x, which is 10 of x, and minus plus x plus c, and this one u is going to be 10x, so it'll be 10 to the cube x 3 minus 10 over x plus c. Don't overthink it. Always start with the simplest thing.
Bro, what is it?
Oh my.
That's the reaction.
Oh yeah.
What? Yeah, but then you just have to plug in you just have to plug in pi over 4 and 0 in here, and you should get pi over 4 minus 2 over 3. But I'm not gonna do that part. It's too easy. Pi over 4 minus 2 over 3. Does that make sense?
No, I can bounce. You're such a mark. It's negative 2 over 3 plus 5.
Sorry, that question I read it wrong. Sorry, 3. This is 3.
You know what, Rod? It's not.
Okay, did everybody understand this question? Ria, do you guys understand this question?
Yes, obvious.
Oh, it's a cute. Okay, so.
This is pretty light.
What?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
I've never seen it, but it's nice.
Never been I hear you. I'm done.
Now I have 2 secrets.
What'd you get?
Dude, he literally just he was 3.
What, 6?
I understand.
Do you not know how to multiply again?
You with equal to 10.
Bro, Aiden.
Oh shoot. Hold on.
Aiden mess multiplication again.
It's just like one. Wait,
That goes away. That goes away.
no, it works on the other side.
I think so.
It's so simple, bro. No, it's
I don't know.
3x.
I cancels 1/3, secant to the 5th, and you do u equals that. Yeah, you do the 5th, you do the 3rd, you do the 6 over 6. You do the 4th.
What are you talking about? That's what you did, right? Then why are you telling me no if you told him yes?
His answer is 10. Wait, is your answer match up with Nathan's?
Yeah, it's fine. I got it right. What the fuck? Wait, what'd you get? Wait, Aiden, let me see your response.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, it is that.
Yeah.
Why are you hating this to you? They didn't show me.
I have different answer, but I don't say yours is wrong, but I have different answer.
Wait, am I right? Oh, what? Yeah. No, times 3. Oh, shoot. Yes, it is, bro. Yeah. You did a different use of what?
I don't know if your answer is right, but you can double check. But again, they can have multiple answers, so
Yeah, I think he did 10 with, he did the use up with 10.
10 is better, I feel like.
10 is better.
That-
Where you guess 10 is better. Wait, come here. What did I do?
Very close. The number is wrong.
That's good. You fucked up your use up.
Well, not because you distribute it. There's no 1/3 here.
Yeah, but 1/3.
Yeah, that's 12.
wait, no,
That's
this
18.
one.
This is the 6 and
No,
the
look. You didn't take out the 1/3.
So where's the 1/3 come
From the 3 meaning
Because you did times.
Because remember, it's 10 3x. You're going to take out the 3. So you can square 3x. 3. Hey, Rod, big brain. Well, I got this mention, bro.
The answer I got is tangent to the 4th power 3x over 12 plus tangent to the 6th 3x over 18 plus c.
Dude, I actually messed with him. I understood it. Let's make a bet. Man, that's what we should make a bro. Let's make a bet. It's not gonna get let's make a bet. Bro, he's gonna use DI on every question. Let's take a bet.
He's gonna do every question with DI. Okay, so the restriction is Rajesh had to take a test with all DI method only. Nathan! Ping Pong Friday, I'm up your ass.
I like it.